Hello, my name is Drew Roberson. I'm in your physical science class, physical science lab class, as well as physical science lecture. This is the first lab, kitchen conversions. Like I said, my name is Drew Roberson, and I guess I'll just get started. The music you hear in the background it's called funky jazz. I like to play jazz when I'm studying, so I hope you enjoyed that. I guess we'll get started. I'm using the computer as my calculator since my phone is recording. So the butter, 175 grams to how many cups? 175 divided by 175 grams divided by 200. So it's showing that it's 0.875 cups. That is the answer for the first problem. Next, we have I'm here in the SGA office, by the way, if you're wondering. So it's like 10 o'clock. I don't know if it's actually open anymore, but oh well. Chocolate, you said to use the flour conversion, so that's what I'll do. Chocolate, 225 grams over 1. We're going to ounces, grams. Oh, where's the flour? Flour, grams to ounces. Grams to ounces. So I guess we're gonna do, on your conversion sheet here, it has 1 gram is 0.035 ounces. So we'll go with that, even though the flour has a different, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. So 1 gram is equal to 0.035 ounces. So we'll put the grams on the bottom, ounces on top, ounces. So 225 times 0.035. How do I reset it? 225 times 0.035 equals 7.875 ounces. Three. That's the third one. For sugar, 200 grams, 2 cups. Sugar, so grams to cups. 1 cup equals, okay, 1 cup equals, okay, so I guess we'll do the 1 gram equals 0.035 ounces as well. Then we'll do that, ounces to cups. So 0.035 ounces, 1 gram, and we'll take that and we'll go, and then we'll go 1 cup has 7 ounces. Let's multiply it and divide all that. 200 times 0.035. 200 times 0.035 equals 7 divided by 7, so it would be 1. 1 cup. Fair enough, I guess. Just going off, so I was confused that the sugar has 1 cup equals 7 ounces, which is also equal to 198 grams. But 200 grams, I use 1 gram is equal to 0.035 ounces. And I guess that would be right. I don't understand how else you would get the answer without using the 0.035 ounces for 1 gram. So I'll continue. 4. So flour. And we're going flour, 65 grams to how many cups? 65 grams. So same thing, same situation. We're gonna go 0.035 ounces is equal to 1 gram. And those ounces, and so now we're gonna multiply the 1 cup is equal to, for flour, it had 1 cup is equal to 4.2 ounces. 4.25, excuse me. Ounces. 4.25 ounces for 1 cup of flour. Yeah. And then you do all that. 65 times 0.035. 5 times 0.035. 2.275 divided by 4. Boom. 0.5687. 0.5687. Oops. Cups. Trying to check my work now. That would make sense, yeah, because that's very small gram size. So the next one, where we have pecans, and you said to use the flour conversion, so I will do that. We have 50 grams to cups. 50 grams, so same thing. 0.035 ounces is in 1 gram. Now we will take, and on the flour, since we're using flour conversion, 4.25 ounces is in 1 cup. That's what we're trying to get to, the ounces, or we're trying to get the cups. So we just multiply all that out and divide. 50 times 0.035. 50 times 0.035 equals, and divided by 4. We got 0.4375. Yeah, that would make sense because that's less than the 65 grams that we got before, so that's fine. We're good. Next one. 180 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is easy. I like these. 180 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we're going to take 9 divided by 5, which is 1.8. We'll multiply that by 180 and add 32 to it. So we're going to get 9 divided by 5, 1.8 times 180. Boom, 324 plus 32. 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we have butter 20 to 25 centimeters converted to how many inches. So we'll get 20, then we'll get 25. So it says on the metric sheet in your lecture PowerPoints that 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So we're going to go 20 inches, or 20 centimeters over 1 and times centimeters down here, 2.54 is 1 inch. And then we get 20 divided by 2.54. This is a good song. This is cool. 7 point, wow, that's a long decimal. I'll round to the nearest hundredth, I guess. That's safe. So 7.87. 7.87 inches. And now for the 25, since it said 20 to 25 centimeters in that problem, I'll go 25 centimeters. Just do the same thing times 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters. So 25 divided by 2.54. Another long decimal that I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, 9.84. 84 inches. So if it tells us 20 to 25 centimeters, we will say in inches it is 7.87 inches to 9.84 inches, and that is our converted answer. I am also, well, I didn't know when to cut this video off. We're looking at 12 minutes right now. Super sorry about that. Since you only asked for a few minutes, but I didn't want to just cut off in the middle and not prove that I worked on these other problems too. So, and you'll see it in my work. I'm literally writing it down. So the next one, this is the last one. 175 grams, 2 ounces. That's easy money. So times 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 0.035 ounces. You divide, or you multiply 175 times 0.035, and you get 6.125 ounces. That is the final answer, I believe. It was a pleasure. I'm excited about this class and can't wait to keep on going. So, have a good night.